possible next move nito is makitaan natin to ng correction, and then possibly magkaroon to ng another down move. Kasi dito actually currently dyan siya nag-react, no, itong sa trendline liquidity na to. Okay, possible na makitaan lang natin to ng konting reaction pa rito sa demand zone na to, sa PUI na yan. Okay, possible na magkaroon siya ng konting reaction and then another push to the downside, just sweeping this liquidities dito. Okay, and possibly makitaan natin siya ng reaction dito sa area na to. Okay, if ganyan yung gawin, no, kumbaga magkaroon lang ng konting reaction and then i-clear out yung liquidities dito, then magkaroon siya ng another impulsive move to the downside. Okay, we might see a potential up move dito, no, for a possible retracement. Okay, so let's go to gold. So gold right now, ayun, grabe si gold, no. Grabe yung pagbagsak ni gold. Okay, so ito very clear, no. Okay, so napaka-clear dito yung impulsive move na ginawa ni gold. Yung in-anticipate ko na mangyari dito is karoon muna to ng correction, then after correction, next possible move is to the downside. Okay, so napaka-clear. Okay, so yan yung nakikita ko ngayon kay gold. Anyway, so yun, next possible move dito, okay, na tinitingnan ko is magkaroon muna ng correction, and then after that is magkaroon to ng down move. Okay, so I'll be looking for a buy setup dito kay gold. Okay, within this area. Okay. So next is GBP USD. GBP USD, okay, same din, no? Same din kay Euro USD. Okay, so possibly magkaroon nito ng correction, and the next possible move is to the downside. Okay,